Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the DPI settings on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on about phone. From here, just tap on software information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just select OK, and after you enable developer options on your Samsung phone, then go back, and in the main settings page, you will find the option of developer options. Just tap on it. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on minimum width. And from here, you will find the DPI settings of your Samsung phone. Now, if you tap on minimum width, and from here, you will be able to change the DPI settings of your Samsung phone. Now, after you change the number, then select OK. And this is how you can change the DPI settings on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.